Okay, can you see my screen? We will be continuing with the same chapter. We have done Kon, Konas, Manale, and Konte Liha. Answer the following question also. I guess we have completed. Isn't it, Sharanya? Answer the
Yes.
following question we have done na before only. Okay, chalo, that's great. Then we will start with the next two thing now. I think brief is there and one sentence is left. Brief is there, one sentence is there, and match the following is also there. Okay, let us start with a brief that is थोडक्यात उत्तरे लिहा. सुगरण पक्षी कुटुंब वात्सल्य कसा. चलो, write it down. You are continuing, I guess. You can see the whiteboard. Okay, chalo, let's get started. As this chapter is done, we are going to start with a new chapter, which is not a chapter rather, but a poem. Okay, we will learn it part by part, understand it paragraph by paragraph. Can you see the screen? Would you like to read it once first? First, we will understand from the textbook, and then we will do the workbook question answers. You can get your book, get yourself ready. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Chavisht. Okay, chalo, let's get started with the explanation. Now, ghar is house, home, where we live. Ghar nahi char bhinti. Okay, so home is not just four walls. Okay, bhinti is walls. Ghar aste dekanya kruti. Okay, dekanya kruti. Kruti is art. We can see all the art in our house. Ghar nahi ek vastu. Ghar is not just a thing. घर म्हणजे आनंदी वस्तू. So it is a thing to be happy. Yeah, everyone is happy when they reach home. Then everyone feel relaxed when a person is reaching home. घर नाही नुसत्या खोल्या. So home is not just a home full of room. पण घरात हव्या भावना ओल्या. भावना is emotions. Yeah, we shares emotion in our home. घरात हवा जिव्हाडा. जिव्हाडा is love, affection, what we say. घर शिक्षणाची पहिली शाळा. So all the what we say manners. First school, because we learn at home, we learn manners, we learn all the good things at home. घर नाह्या नुसता पसारा. So some people must feel that everywhere it is all scattered. Pasara is things which are scattered here and there. Yeah, sometimes it happens that we scattered lot of things in our house, but home is just not scattered thing. घर नाही केवळ निवारा. केवळ निवारा is stay. Like people does not just go and stay there. घरात असते kahani. Every home has a story. Yeah, you must have heard about the previous elder people that this was my home and this happened in that home. So everyone has their own story related to their house. घराला असतो आपला चेहरा. So घर also has a face, like face of happy, sad, emotions. Yeah, some in a particular house something must have happened. Yeah, we were residing in that house and that time this happened. Yeah, somebody's wedding, um some emotions are attached to that particular house. घर शिकवते पाहायला, चालायला, धावायला. Pahala means to see. So when we were kids and we were just born, we were brought in the home. So that was the first time we see our house. Salaila. Okay, we walked in our house. Dhavaila, to run. घर शिकवते लढायला. Yeah, siblings fight. So there is also fight in everyone's house. दुःखाचा डोंगर चढायला. All the sadness, all the sorrow also have seen where people see in their house only. घराने असावे सावधान, घराने द्यावे समाधान. Saudhan means to be alert. Yeah, that's why we have the house which is built in such a way that it keeps us secure. घराने द्यावे समाधान. Samadhan means a sense of peace. Yeah, we feel peaceful. You must have also noticed, Sharanya, when we come back, you must have come back from your school. So you must have seen that you feel very nice and relaxed when you lie down on your bed or very. So that samadhan, that peace is there when we reach home. घराने ठेवावे काळाचे भान. Okay, काळाचे भान means the night. Now it is 6 o'clock. Yeah, six. It is about to be like evening now. Yeah, sun is about to set. So what is happening now? Slowly, the darkness is coming in the house. Now we know that evening is there, so we will switch on the light. Yeah, so morning also there is sun rays in our house. So card is time. So house tell us the time also. What is the time? Is it morning, afternoon, or evening? जवळ करावीत नवी मूल्ये, नवीन ज्ञान. Okay, so whatever mulya, gyan, that is knowledge, everything we get in our house, we study in our house, we understand things in our house. Gharat aiche apar kast. So mother is there who is working very hard, yeah, to keep the house clean, to feed everyone. So mother is the one who is very hard working in our house. Aji sante sundar goshti. If grandmother is there in the house, yeah, mostly in uh, Mumbai, we don't see grandparents, but yes, if we talk about the house which is in village, so we have grandparents there. So Aji Sangte Sundar Ghost is story, nice story. Says nice story. Gharat Ajoba Gappishta. Gappishta is like Gappa, what we would say. Lot of talk. Yeah, somebody to talk, which is आजोबा. आजोबा is grandfather. आईच्या हाताचे जेवण चविष्ट. In the same house, we feel hungry. So mother cooks for us, and that food we find it very tasty. So, so chavisht is tasty. Clear? Okay, let's read it together once again now. Tasty. Yeah, let's read it together once again, and this time what we will do, we will understand meanings also. घर. घर नाही चार भिंती, घर असते देखण्याकृती. घर नाही एक वस्तू, घर म्हणजे आनंदी वस्तू. घर नाही नुसत्या खोल्या, घर हव्या भावना ओल्या. घरात हवा जिव्हाळा, घर शिक्षणाची पहिली शाळा. घर नाही नुसता पसारा, घर नाही केवळ निवारा. घराला असते कहाणी, घराला असतो आपला चेहरा. घर शिकवते पायाला, चालायला, धावायला. घर शिकवते लढायला. दुखाचा डोंगर चढायला, घराने असावे सावधान, घराने द्यावे समाधान. घराने ठेवावे काळाचे भान, जवळ करावी नवीन मूल्ये, नवीन ज्ञान. घरात आईचे अपार कष्ट, आजी सांगते सुंदर गोष्ट. घरात आजोबा गप्पिष्ट, आईच्या हाताचे जेवण चविष्ट. So this poem Ghar is written by Dhudidaj Joshi. Okay, clear with the poem. Any doubt, any confusion, Sharanya? Okay. Now there are some meanings which are there below the chapter. Let's see them as well. Let's get started with meanings now. शब्दार्थ देखण्या. Okay. Okay, from your workbook, the meaning is showing like this. Okay, I can turn this, but we are not able to see it. That is the problem. Okay, again you send me. Now this mobile is quite better. I am able to see everything so nicely. Okay, why have you scribbled so much? Now I can. You were learning it. Okay, you should use pencil, Sharanya. Okay, when you are writing something in your workbook which is already printed. Okay, you should use pencil. Chalo, let's get started then. Okay, okay. वाक्य प्रचार. घर. Yes, घर is घर, गृह, सदन. Sadan. Yeah, you can write either Gruha or Sadan also. Dekhanya, Sundar, like very attractive. Vastu, Imarat, the building, building, yeah. Olya Bhavna, Premar Bhavna, that love, affection. Jivada, Prem, yeah, loving, affection. Kahani, ghost, story. Stavadhan, yeah, Daksha or alert. Like, yeah, always be alert. That is Savadhan. Apar, amount. That is a lot, like too much. Gappist, yeah, talking or talkative. Chavist, चव असलेले, टेस्टी. समाधान, आनंद, संतोष, like feeling a sense of satisfaction. मूल्य, विचार, yeah, values. What are the morals value that our family teaches us? That is all happening in our house only. Let's read it once again. घर, देखण्या, वस्तू, ओल्या भावन्या, जिव्हाळे, कहाणी, सावधान, अपार, गप्पीष्ट, चविष्ट, समाधान. Santosh. Yeah. Mulya Vichar. Okay. So in today's class, what all we have done, we have completed Sugran Chegarte. Then we have started with Ghar, done the explanation for Ghar, which was an interesting poem. Then we have learned meanings. Yeah, homework